Yes, hello everyone. I welcome you back to my channel, the Jerome Moses channel, whereby today we are going to be talking about, I'm going to show you how to stake WSG tokens to earn Juld tokens. Juld is Juld. Juld tokens are the community tokens from the Julswap. So as usual, we go to PancakeSwap through Trust Wallet. Here we are. This is my Trust Wallet. I have 135 million WSG. So you go to dApps. Well, you go to dApps, you look for, you can type here stake.wsg.gg. Then you click on continue. You change the network to smart chain. Here we are. Connect to the smart chain network. Yes, it's already connected. So we scroll down to joystick staking program, whereby you stake your WSG tokens and earn other tokens. There is a 7-day lock on deposits. So today we are going to deposit WSG tokens to earn the Juld tokens, and right now the APR is 107%. The TVL is only 700,000. So you can click on the details here. So you click on approve. It's confirming. A few seconds as usual. The fees is 0.15. Click approve. Approve in progress. Wait for the blockchain to confirm your transaction and your approval is ready. Just give it a few seconds and then it will approve the success. Your spending limit has been successfully approved. Good. So now we are now going to deposit our WSG tokens into the Juld staking pool. You click on deposit. I'm going to use the maximum. I'm going to deposit everything. That's 137 million tokens. As you can see, I click on deposit. It's confirming transaction. The fees are $0.5. That's $0.50. Approve. Deposit in progress. Your funds will be deposited once the blockchain confirms your transaction. Just a few seconds. Yes, success. You've successfully deposited your tokens into the pool. So that is how. So we have deposited roughly, if you can scroll up here, the WSG tokens we have deposited are worth $12. So I've not yet earned anything because I've just staked right now. So the next time I come back, it will be showing here. I'll click on claim. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you're going to be earning more passive income by just taking your WSG tokens. So in this video I showed you how to earn Juld tokens by staking your WSG tokens. So remember to always like, comment, subscribe and share this video to your friends so that they can learn this. So thank you.